Hello Facebook ads people, I'm Konstantinos, and today there's going to be a very short video that we're going to talk about a new credit that Facebook is having right now and you should not miss it. First of all, I would like to apologize that I'm telling you this now. I forgot it, okay? Bear with me. So, we will go fast on my PC and I'm going to show you what is this credit, credit all about. I'm going to show you two small accounts that they have it. By the way, I also mentioned this in a podcast about the credit opportunity, but let me explain you what is it. Don't ask me how you're going to get it. You need to contact Facebook and ask about it. Some of you got a message on the top of your ads manager. Everybody's actually getting it. I have taken it in several accounts. It's 10,000 for most of the accounts that I know, and let's go on my PC to show you if you're inside this category, maybe you can ask for it from your Facebook rep or you can contact customer support, find a way to do it. So I don't want to make this video very long. I'm just going to show you one ad account here. This is a baby brand, which is actually the small brother of another big brand that I have. Maybe I have showed you this account in the past, but as you can see, this account, it's actually now in the process of gathering data. If we see that, if we go here from this to March, you can see that we're getting 1.21, 1.14 and stuff, 0.24, and just some sales on the catalog. But all of this is coming from exactly the same campaign that I'm using here with the credit, and I'm going to show you the results in a little bit. What I wanted to say about it is that the only thing that they're asking is that when you're going to come inside this campaign and you go to the ad set level, that instead of website only here, you're going to have website and shop. This is the only thing that they're asking, and they tell you, you need to do the best campaign that you had, the best creatives, the best whatever, just put website and shop and not just website, and see if it's going to help you. And they're giving you $10,000 to test it, in some cases 5K and stuff. Now, let's discuss a little bit of what happened, and then we will go for the closing of the video. Here, as you can see, the results that we were getting was 1.21 and stuff, and it was all about gathering data and pixel data in order for us to be able then to do, by the way, this is lookalikes also. So we are not using interest anymore, we are now in the phase of lookalikes, and we're gathering data in order to be able to go to broad targeting, Advantage Plus campaigns, and do also broad targeting crazy method. What we're doing right now is stacked lookalikes crazy method, which is actually having several lookalikes stacked here, as you can see, and the results that we are having this month with this campaign is 1.3, but in the last 7 days, we see 1.82. We see results that they're improving. Of course, I'm optimizing the CBO campaign as I should over here with the ways that I show you in the crazy method optimization. And basically, this is also free money because we took it from the credit. So here, what we are doing, whatever we have learned in this account, Facebook is giving us free money. Now you know from this video, and you can check with your Facebook rep or with an email. We use crazy method, we use stacked lookalikes, and we were using so far relaunches all the time in order to train our pixel and be able to expand in an opportunity like this. I will see you for the closing of the video. I hope that you're going to get the credit for your company and for your business. So that's all about the credit. Good deal. If you have 10K to spend, or even if they give you 3K, 5K, whatever, it doesn't matter. This is going to be free money that's going to help you. This is also one of the reasons that I believe that the Facebook ads are more expensive right now on April. So in my opinion, since everybody's doing it now in April, if you can push this for May, I think it's going to be better in terms of the results that you're going to get and much better spent money. If you cannot and they tell you to start it now, but most of these credit tests are going to finish most probably at the end or at the start of May. So if you can take it for later, go for it. That's all I had for you. Don't forget that if you want to learn more, you can check my book, my free course, and my website. And until we meet again, guys, be creative and be consistent.